All right, good day, people, dark horse investors. All right, so I'm on my profile, and this is on Trading View. All right, and so I posted this on January 8th. Today is January 10th, and this is my analysis on U.S. dollar, Canadian dollar. I had it going long. Currently, according to sentiment, it was 76% of traders uh, that are short and 24% that are long. All right, so you see this here. And this gives us a contrarian view to look for price to push further up to the next supply zone on the chart. This is also in line with the Fibonacci extension of the most recent impulse move. So you see this is the extension point. I measured this, and this was the area. I wrote on here there's the supply. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and play this out so you can see it. This is timestamp. You see up here at the top, it says 2 days ago. This is why I love uh, Trading View. All right, let me go back right quick and show you something. All right, right here, show me the charts, not your account balance. All right, this is what I mean by this. All right, so boom. All right, targets hit. All right, of course we move sideways, but if you stretch this all the way across, you clearly see that target right here was hit in this particular supply zone. Okay, so we did play out on this particular trade, right? So we good to go. And then now what I need to do is update the idea. All right. And I'm gonna put close target reach. All right. Update trade status. All right. So we are good because that you know what's funny? I only got one like on this one. It is what it is. It happens. All right. Let me actually go to the chart because something didn't load on there because it actually went higher. All right, so you see on the chart that I just did, all right, hit stop right here, but this is more in line. It's deeper into the target price. So you see I have it here. All right, got it listed. Targets hit. We're good to go. So you saw the time step one we did before. All right, you see that I had what 76% was short, 24% long. We want to do what? Take the contrarian approach. We want to go up here. All right, now look what happens. A lot of times when price comes down right here, you get this little move down. What is this? This is going to trap who? It's going to trap your shorts. All right, your shorts are now they think that we're going to go to the downside, and then I look over here to the left. I'm like, oh, that's a key zone up here, supply, and it's too many of y'all going short. No, let's go. Let's look for a long setup. So let's find entries on going long, and that's what we did. Okay, even this morning when it got up to here, because my ultimate target was actually at the extension of the 1.444 area. All right, I sort of got upset, but then I said, nah, just stick with it. All right. I got right here. I got to cooking some breakfast, doing some other stuff. And then I came back. I was down massively. See this drop down? I was like, you gotta be kidding me. I was like, I was this close to my target. And you mean tell me now I'm down in drawdown? I said, you know what? Stick with it. Okay. This was a clear liquidity sweep. All right, we got him. And then this was a bear trap. To get him trapped again, price came back. So I'm thankful I actually stuck with it and stayed in this and didn't hop back out. I definitely would have been kicking myself. Um, So it's 11:33 a.m. I am done trading for the week. I may look at some crypto trade setups, but for the most part, I'm done, and it's been a success. All right. So this strategy was just basically measuring an impulse move and then getting an extension point, and that was it. All right. There could have been a way that I also could have came on here and let's go ahead and take these off. But first, I need to save this. Copy this image. Go over here. And then we're gonna do this. All right. So I got that. Okay. So let me take this off. My delete button for some reason do not want to delete on me. Don't know why. There it is. All right. And I could use my retracement and could have played this like a similar way. Um, so essentially, based off this impulse, okay, price crossed 23%. What do? We wait for the price to come back below the 23%, which it did. All right, we find an entry point, and then we can take it to the 61% as a target. So this could have worked out as well too, just based off this impulse. So I'm just showing you the retracement method that could have won us on this trade, or the impulsive method. But regardless, both would have been successful. But yeah, just sticking to the analysis. Look at sentiment. Sentiment was a little bit too heavily swayed to the other direction. All right. Let's look at some other ones. We got Australian USD. So let's see what's going on over there. USD. All right, what was it? All right, so 88% this time were long. So you can see up here, all right, 88% long, 12% short. So we take a contrarian stance, and you clearly see that we have what? A downtrend. All right, it's the same thing. And I could do what? I could get my impulses as well for the downside. And these will be my target areas. Where target one, you got two hit, and then the next third one would be this target down here if we continue on to the downside. But you clearly see what 88% long short. Just keep repeating the same thing over and over. All right, stick with your strategy, just my strategy. I will be opening up the academy to help focus on this stuff. I'm building out some things, so I will let you guys know when that will be ready. Man, just keep this stuff simple, man. We're not about to go through no complex trading methodology and all that stuff. Stick with it, do this over and over, and you continue to see it. As the question is, are you going to get out of your own way? That is the biggest thing. All right, look at NZD USD, and we just keep that'll be the end of it. We got some snow on the ground out here. Go out there and enjoy it. All right, what do we have? NZD was 84% long, 16% short. We clearly see we're in a downtrend. And then here's the thing too. Look at this trading pattern. Doesn't it look similar to what we just looked at odd USD? Guys, they're showing some of the same patterns. You can just take advantage of the correlation of it. Right? You see these type of patterns shape up. You can look at historical correlated patterns and say, you know what, this look like it's shaping up to do this. But nonetheless, come on now. There's a lot of people who on this one, which was it, 88, 84%, all these people, oh, it's gonna go long. Give me a stop loss. Okay, it's gonna go long. Trap them. Give me a stop loss. Okay, we definitely going long now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, look like we want to rally up. Nope. Give me your stop losses. Same thing. It's inexperienced traders that keep thinking that, oh, we're definitely at a bottom. We definitely can go up. Okay, let's look and see what's going on with Bitcoin right quick. All right, and let's go over to Bitcoin sentiment. All right, so we're on Bitcoin's chart. Look over here. All right, so last hour, 73% was short. All right, and we're still within this hour candle right here. But if you look at the previous hour, which was at 10 a.m., all right, you see this tail, this wick. That's bullishness coming into the market, but 74% short. Well, these shorts are getting liquidated, right? As the price came down and pushed back up. Now this bearish candles comes in and push the price down here. You trap down, you pull it back up, right? You see it all the time. All right, let's go and look at maybe the 4 hour charts, right? So let's do the last 4 hours. So like right here, gate dot 79% long over there. The last 4 hours. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, four candles, last 4 hours. Look what happened though. 79% was short, but then they just got wiped out. Their liquidity. I mean, how many times do we have to continue to do this and people don't sit down and it's like, you know what, let me just master this. One thing, guys. Find your one thing. If you like moving averages, do that. If you like trading Bollinger Bands, do that. If you like doing double tops, double bottoms, go do that. If you're just a double top, double bottom trader, guess what? We used the 4 hour. Here you go. You would have found some entry right here on December 30th. You would have got out at the neckline on about November 6th. Boom. Successful trade. What do we talk about? Nothing. Next. Where we at? Euro JPY, double top. You would have found entry somewhere on January 7th. We're about to hit the net line. Matter of fact, we're in within zone right here. We good to go. We can start taking profits right now. This is on the 10th. What we talking about? Nothing. Nothing. Up 313 pips. Nothing. Next. Double top on British pound, Japanese yen on the 4 hour. Find your entry point, go down to the neckline, 273 pips, and this one actually went on ahead and hit the what? The actual true target, but just contrarians, we like to get out the neckline, but then you got 609 pips total if you did take it to that. What we talk about? Nothing. Next. Nvidia, double top, got it over here on the 7th. All right, we're down right here by the 10th. We're not fully at this area yet, but you're in profit. You can move your stop losses in profit. You can keep it moving, preferably right above here. All right, and let's see, you can keep pushing down. But if you're in this trade based off the double top, you're good to go. That's just one strategy. You just repeat it over and over and over again. What are we talking about? Nothing. Next. All right, we got a double top right here. It came on the 8th on oil. Then it came down here on the same day. Neckline. Are we going to targets? Nope. Contrarians, we go to the neckline. We're out. This was a successful trade. Let's go back even further. Look what's going on. All right, right here, November. And then even in by December 9th, still within this range. So it's actually a triple bottom. Boom. Out here the neckline by December 31st. Just trade oil. What we talk about? Nothing. Next. So y'all make sure y'all come and check out the page at Dark Horse Investor. I have some info up. Start back on the Trading Academy. Man, we stick you with the same thing over and over. We can keep it simple. We're not about to make nothing complex. We're going to show at the end of the day, the only reason why most people aren't profitable is because they're in their own way. They self-sabotage. And this is to prove that it's you. Are you the fraud? It's nothing. It's nothing else. It's you. Get out your own way. Make this happen. Hit the like button. Subscribe. This your boy. You White. I'm out.